Okay, mate, very rarely will you have this scenario, but we're actually going to do a right turn from the left lane of this roundabout. The markings do tell us we can, okay? So we're not going to go in behind where the black one was, we're going to go in this one. Use your brake a bit more and get your gear sorted and get looking, Harris. When's there a gap? Good. So we stay in the left all the way round, settle, look far, mate. Look far. Do you see the road that's the right turn? How do you leave? Nice job, well done. What's your road like up there? Okay, were there any markings on the approach that actually told you of that?
The road names.
But that was only right at the roundabout, really, wasn't it? So was there any sort of like sign to say that that was the case?
I spotted a sign, I didn't really see
No, there wasn't, mate, to be honest, and that's what I'm getting at. That's the point that I'm trying to make. Listen to your engine, buddy.
There's definitely something that should be a lot about.
Say again, sorry?
There's definitely something that probably should be said, because the high-speed roundabout, and it's like, swapping it around.
Yeah, a little, I agree. But a majority of people who are going to be using it will have used it before. But the thing that I'm getting at is that if you approach something like that and you didn't know, you'd probably be in lane 2, wouldn't you? But it shows the importance of scanning and looking at every single marking so you know where other people could be. Yeah?
Yeah.
If you found yourself in lane 2 on the approach and you saw both lanes were going around but no one was in the left lane, you could slide it back across, couldn't you? But if there was someone there, no problem, stay in lane 2. So it's the importance to just keep scanning around, looking at every single bit of every single roundabout. Markings there to help, don't forget, yeah? You can't think that every single roundabout works in the same way, but it was a good effort, did well.